but it's really getting fat already. I'll have to tie it shut for sure. But yeah, it's looking good. Very happy with it. It's getting a little chunk. But anyway, what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to sew that. I know I'm going to sew something or do something there in this space and glue it to the page. We got to let that dry just a little bit before we do anything with it. Alright, so we're going to do that and then we will come back and finish this thing out. Okay, so let's get this finished up. So I ended up stitching just a piece of seam binding like that, kind of going diagonal. So I like that. And then this is dry now, and so these are the only 3 pieces we've got to get in this journal. So let's see here where we want to put kind of what we have left. I think possibly that maybe I'm going to glue this in as well, just like I did my other one. I'm not sure. I think I want it on this side so that it doesn't flop open. But let me see if I can find a... Let's put it on one of these. I think I'm going to have to move this because I want it on a more of the front part because my other one's in the back. So I'm thinking maybe somewhere like that. Let's just put it right here. I think this is good. Let's just put it right there. Okay, so let me make sure yeah, that'll work. I think that will be fine. And then it can kind of open up and you can still write in it right there. I'm thinking I'm going to put this little thing right back here on this last page. I kind of had that left and I'm full, so why don't we just put that right there. Okay, let's... And that'll be all 4 of our little stamps. Yep, just like that. Okay, and then we'll just have to find a place to attach these two since we kind of, well, this I can put back. I just had robbed it from there anyway. Okay, and so while I was off camera, I also went ahead and added a little bit of the copy stained seam binding here on these little pieces that I, just kind of had them tipped out there for that. Okay, so I think we're good. Now all we have is this little one right here. There, I think we'll just tuck it. Okay, I think that's what we'll do with it. So that is everything to our little journal. Alright guys, that was a fun little craft with me. This is what I am going to tie it shut with. We're just going to tie it with a little piece of the, oops, I'll have to stick that in there. But this is what we're going to tie it with right here. And then we will slip it, and the bag is going to be full because I really did make it kind of chunky. So, whoops. Yep, I'm going to have to tie that tighter so it doesn't slip off. Alrighty, and we're just going to slip it in the bag. And we might just have the strings go up. But anyway, guys, it did get chunky. And there is our journal in the bag, all with using up. You know what? Let's put that back there. Awesome. I think that would be fun. Yes, let's do that. And that'll give that a nice little something on the back of the bag. I'm going to stick that little piece down. All right, guys, that is it. So let's just do a little final flip through for the very, very end of the video here. Here we go. We're nice and tied. I just love the way this came out. So let's just... Now, it was too bulky to go ahead and put seam binding on the tags. I don't think the bag would hold it anymore if I did that. So I'm just leaving those without any seam binding. There's our little snippet, our little tag. There's our little booklet. I think it really came out cute. So there's our little booklet attached to the page. Another little tag there. A little collage. Whoops, I think I'm crooked. There's our little postage stamps. Faux postage stamps. Little cluster. I love this. I really like the way that one turned out. Our other little booklet. Our other little tab there. I love the tabs out of the vellum. Love the little postage, faux postage stamp of the owl. There is our tag. Our other vellum. And the back. So, anyway, I really like how it came out, guys. Anyway, there we are. And that is everything from our Your Creative Studio box. Plus a few little of our own pieces. But, guys, thank you so much for watching. And have a great day. And I, of course, will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.